how to install OpenClaw as a complete beginner. That was something that I asked myself before starting this channel. As you see, this channel is new, so each support will be appreciated. But we are not here to talk about my channel. We are here to talk about something innovative. It's something new, and a lot of people want to use OpenClaw, but they don't know how to install it. So here's your video for this step-by-step guide. Let's start, because once you did it, it is super simple. First of all, I want to tell you why I am choosing a Mac Mini compared to VPS. Maybe you saw it already on Twitter, maybe you saw it already in the news, but several people are using OpenClaw with VPS and they have some security issues. Because for installing OpenClaw on a VPS, it means that they have all your data that is done in your OpenClaw. If you're connected to your business and you host it in a VPS, then you have to make sure you set it up in the right way. But most people don't have coding experience. And with that in mind, it is way easier to just buy or use a cheaper computer, but I'm using a Mac Mini, and the reason for that is I have a Mac also as a normal computer. So what it can do is I can easily transfer files, transfer anything from my OpenClaw to my main computer. That is the reason I bought a Mac Mini, and don't worry, it don't need to be a $10,000 one. It can also be a $200 or $300 one. So what is the first step? The first step is go to openclaw.ai. After that, you will open up your terminal. And once it's done, you scroll down a little bit on the OpenClaw website. You will see this prompt, copy it, go back to your terminal and paste it inside your terminal. Just wait a moment. It will start installing a lot of files. And once it's done, it's completed, it will open up an OpenClaw installation menu. Once it's successfully installed, also make sure that you install Node.sj. Go to the Node.sj website. I already have it, so I'm not able to install it again. It's super easy. I'm not sure how to do it. Just ask ChatGPT, how do I install Node.sj inside my terminal? That's it, super easy. After that, it says OpenClaw installed successfully. It will ask you a question and it says, I understand this is powerful and very risky. Do you want to continue? It is still in the beta phase. If you are using it on the Mac Mini, and you don't ask for crazy things like tell my password on my Twitter account if it's connected, it will not do any strange things. Don't worry about that, but just be safe, think logic, and don't use it for stupid things. Just do yes. After you're doing yes, you will get to the part of model alt provider. This is the section where you need to choose the brain of your OpenClaw. We have different kind of models. We have, as an example, OpenAI, ChatGPT. Maybe you know it already. It is a powerful tool, but if you want more power and you have also a little bit higher budget, I would suggest for choosing the Anthropic Opus 4.6. It's for myself a $200 a month, and it will give you enough credits for the whole month and using it for anything that you want. But at the same time, $200 is a lot of money. And if you don't want to spend that amount of money, you can choose OpenAI and use your normal subscription. And your normal subscription costs around $20 a month. But if you still think $20 is a lot, I will suggest to use Moonshot AI Kimi K2.5. It's totally up to you. I'm doing the Anthropic 4.6 setup since I have those credentials ready. And I click on it, it asks for me to set up the auth method. So I'm choosing the Anthropic token paste setup code because it's the most easiest way, and it will use my subscription. And what I need to do is run cloud setup token. And the first time that I did this, I was quite confused, like, hey, where do I need to run this? What you need to do is open up another terminal screen and right there, cloud setup token. It will open up your internet browser and says like, hey, do you want to authorize your cloud code to OpenClaw? Click on authorize, that's it, and get back to the main terminal. You will see your OAuth token. It says valid for 1 year. And please don't share it with anybody else, because somebody who has access to your token is able to control your subscription. So don't share it, just copy it because it will not be visible again. Paste it into your notepad and store it in a safe place. After that, go back to the main screen. It says paste Anthropic setup token and copy paste the token you just received in your terminal. Now it is asking me which kind of model do I want to use. And it's important to say that if you choose Opens 4.6, it doesn't mean that you need to use it for everything. You can use it maybe for the complex tasks as building something like your mission control center, applications, or anything else that is maybe more complex. And if you have day-to-day tasks, as an example, send me a message about this every morning, or check out this, making a shorter text of this, you can use a cheaper model for that. And if you want to set it up, just go through the setup again, but this is not a video because I think that is more for an other video, and in today's video we'll just do the main brain of your OpenClaw. You can see CloudNet Sonnet 4.6, also a good one, Haiku, Opus, and Sonnet again. I'm choosing the Opus 4.6 for now. Now we're getting to an interesting part. It is select channel, and what this means is you can send text messages to your OpenClaw. As an example, if you set up Telegram or WhatsApp, it can send automated messages to you, or you can send a message to them. Instead of going to ChatGPT, you now have access to your AI assistant in your text message app. And beside all of this, it can also be a Discord channel. You can just ask, set up a Discord channel for me, do this amount of channels, or ask, what do you think is the best way to set up my Discord server? My goal or my business is this and this, and it will set up completely automated by themselves a Discord server for you to interact with your OpenClaw bot. I'm choosing Telegram because Telegram is the most advanced text message service for bots. And what you need to do is here, super easy, open Telegram, write in the search bar bot fodder. It will open up a chat, just write /new bot. As you see here, it will give you a token, and this token you need to copy paste inside your terminal. After that is done, you see, do you want to configure skills for now? It is recommended to do because OpenClaw or any AI agent from himself is not the smartest. You need to give the right information so he knows exactly what to do or how things works. And I installed for myself video frames, Xurl, and Summarize because I'm a content creator and I want to use OpenClaw mainly for content creator agents, like helping me finding trending topics on Twitter. And based on that, it scans tweets. It gives me back video suggestions of long formats, but also I want to potentially edit in the future completely autonomous my videos for TikTok, YouTube, and other channels. If you have more API keys as Google Places, Google Gemini, Notion, OpenAI, or something like that, you can just fill them in here. I didn't know, but it's totally up to yourself. Now it asks you for enabling hooks. So as a beginner of OpenClaw, I think it's more important to explore things compared to installing everything. It's very helpful to install hooks, but for now, I will suggest you as a user maybe only do boot and session memory. I selected the 3 of them, but it's totally up to you and your own use case. Now it is asking you, how do you want to hatch your bot? So I recommend open the web UI because it will open up in your internet browser a page, just like a normal internet page. And there you will have the OpenClaw dashboard for all your settings and setting up. And don't worry, it maybe looks very complex, but the main thing that we're going to use is the chat function where we can just chat with our AI agent, same as ChatGPT. But of course, we have also set up our Telegram bot, which gives us the option to talk with it through Telegram. So we click open the web UI, and after that you see this screen, OpenClaw Gateway Dashboard and the chat function. And this is the main installation. We will go deeper into my next video about what kind of extra settings you need to provide to your OpenClaw bot. So if you are curious about that, let me know in the comments what kind of things you want to use OpenClaw for. And with that, I can make another video for you about it. And if you want to stay up to date about use cases in general of OpenClaw, of settings you can provide to your OpenClaw to set it up as the best way possible, to set it up in the most experienced way. Stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about OpenClaw and how you can install it. Myself, I was quite overwhelmed as a first-time user, and I was thinking like, so many people talk it in the most easiest way, but it is so complex. That was the reason I started this channel as a complete beginner. I want to learn other people how you can use this, and as a beginner myself, I understand that some steps maybe sound easy, but they aren't. So subscribe to the Build with June channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.